I'm just going to show you how to add alt text to images. So this is on Etsy. I've gone into my listing, which is my personalised letter from Santa, and you'll see my images here. So if you've got a shop and you've already uploaded your images, what you need to do is click on them, and then you'll see a box here that says alt text, and that's basically where you need to describe the image in detail. And the reason why you do this is so that Google can read this text and know exactly what it is that it's looking for. So I've actually already done mine here, so I'm just going to pop it in now. So I've just pasted it into the box here. On Etsy, you have a limit of 250 characters. You just need to make sure that it goes within that limit, but also you just make sure that you put in your keywords. So for me, for this particular product, it's personalised reply letter from Santa Claus. We've also got personalised craft envelope addressed to child. All these sorts of things people are typing in Google to find it. And the same with this authentic wax seal. That's another keyword for this product. And then once you've done it, you just need to click apply, and it will save it. So you basically have to go into each image and put your alt text in to describe exactly what is you want Google to read on that image, and that's how it can find it. I'm just going to show you now how to do add alt text to images on your website. So whatever website builder you're using, there will be an option to do this. I use 123reg, and I think it's powered by GoDaddy, but it will look similar to this when you actually have your images on your website. So for example, this image here, you can see on the box on the right, you'll see something that says image description. If you click on the question mark, it says here, short image description, alt text will improve your site's search engine ranking and allow screen reading tools to describe this image to visually impaired users. So it's the same thing as on Etsy. You want to be describing exactly what's in the image. It's a bit harder for me because I'm obviously selling a service here rather than a product. So mine is business support via text. So here I've put affordable business support and help with business ideas by text for female entrepreneurs. So I'm trying to think what it is people would type in to find this particular service of mine, and I've popped it in here. You might find on your website you've got a character limit, so I've got one here of 10 characters, so I've got left, so I couldn't really fit much more in that. But also, I'll just show you if I scroll down again. This one here is my course for the creative She CEO. And if you scroll down again, you'll see the image description box here, which is where you put your alt text. So here I've just put online courses for small businesses, creative business courses, and business course for women. Now I know that's what people are typing in Google because I've done some keyword research, but that's how you do it. So you want to look at this image description